Hi, to use eye tracking on your iPad 10th generation, firstly make sure that you are updated to iOS 18 or later version because it is available only from iOS 18. Now we'll need to go in the settings and on our left side choose accessibility and then on the right side just find eye tracking. And first thing we can do is to customize it. So here we got this moving slider. If we drag it to the right side, it will be more smooth, and to the left side will increase pointer responsiveness. So let's leave it at 60% for example. And another thing we can see here is snap to item. So snap to item automatically moves the pointer to the nearest item on the screen where you are looking. And another one is zoom on keyboard keys. So if you want to use eye tracking on your keyboard, it will zoom in a bit to use this feature more comfortable. Also we got here auto hide, but I don't recommend you to enable it. It is not so comfortable to use, and dwell control. So if you hold your gaze on an item, a timer starts and the circle around the pointer fills up. When it fills up, an action will occur such as clicking an icon. And dwell control will be enabled automatically after we enable eye tracking. So let's do it. Now we are gonna tap on the switcher to enable eye tracking, but before you do this, make sure that your iPad is on a stable surface and 1.5 feet away from your eyes. Now let's enable it, and after that we'll need to follow the dot with eyes as it moves around the screen. So simply follow the dot with your eyes and finish setting up this eye tracking feature. And now we just finished setup, so you can see that I'm controlling my iPad with the help of my eyes. So let's go back in eye tracking, and you can see that when I'm just looking, when I'm holding my gaze at one item for a long period of time, you can see this circle around the item, which is like for tapping. Here you can see it. And also we got this accessibility button, so we can go to our home screen and we can open any app from here. For example, let's just try to open photos. And now the photos are open, so let's try to send this picture. For that I'm gonna just look at this send icon. This feature does not work so perfectly, but I'm gonna try this out. So let me just take a look at this share icon. And yep, now we can select Medi, for example. And after that, we can send this photo to this contact by looking at this blue arrow. So let's try this out one more time. And now this photo is sent. So if you would like to disable this feature, just go back in accessibility. You can still use your fingers, go in eye tracking and tap here to disable this feature. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!